Hello, the unit in build here is one of our road-going water jetting machines. It's mounted on very sturdy running gear and the fuel tank is an integral part of the base frame. This enables us to achieve a very low centre of gravity. These units feature EU Stage 5 engines. They incorporate the very latest in low emissions technology. The pump is particularly reliable. It also has a long service interval. This increases unit uptime and minimises operating costs. Water quality is really important with high pressure pumps. That's why we design our own water filters and we make sure that the filter bags are very easily replaced. The boost pump helps prevent cavitation and guarantees water inlet feed pressure, and there's easy access to the AdBlue tank. This is Tyler working on one of the environmental enclosures. They help to reduce noise and they protect the equipment from the elements. The control panel has both touch screen and push buttons to suit the operator. The controls are very simply laid out and it's very easy to operate. As I speak, we have in build 4 of these water jetting units. Soon they'll go into the test bay and then out to customers. They'll be used for a number of applications such as concrete removal, paint removal, surface preparation, white line removal, tank cleaning, pipe cleaning, tube cleaning, formwork cleaning, scaffold cleaning, and a host of other applications as well. We design, build and test our water jetting units here at our factory in Worcester. Search online for Calder pumps or give us a call.